everybody, welcome back to the McCall's kitchen. We're getting into the spooky season here today with Halloween right around the corner. My name is Elisha, I'm from Fiorella Bake Shop, and we're going to be making some Halloween cupcakes together. These are fun, they're really easy, and they look so good. They're like little monsters on a cupcake. I have all our supplies in front of me today. We've got some McCalls Halloween sprinkles, gel colors, we've got some eyes, and then of course our buttercream and candy melt. So I'll show you how we're gonna bring all of these together. Let's get started. We're all good to go now. We've got our buttercream ready here. We're just gonna make our white buttercream over here green using the McCall's lime green. Make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have lots of fun Halloween content coming and lots of more costumes. We're gonna be super excited to use all these sprinkles and colors, but let's get this one going right now before we get it into our piping bag. You don't need too much green because this is going to give us such a nice fluorescent color. Put about 2 to 3 drops to get this, but if you want it a little bit darker, you can add more. All right, looks like we got our perfect green going there. I don't know about you guys, but I find that purple, orange, and green just scream Halloween. It's what we used on our cupcakes today, the liners. We've got some cute pumpkins on this one, a nice green liner, and then a nice orange liner to scream that Halloween. Lots of black and orange going on today too, so I'm really excited to see these come together. Just gonna get them into their piping bags and then we'll start piping. Just look at how nice this green looks. We're gonna be making little monsters with this one. So for the first cupcake, what I want to do is a nice orange swirl, and then after we're going to make a nice cobweb to put on top. So for this lantern cupcake, I'm just going to pipe a swirl on it with my buttercream. Nice big swirl there. I absolutely love these liners. There's so many different ones that you can get for Halloween especially, and then there's a bunch of other holidays that come up like Christmas and Valentine's, but I love that there's different options that you can get, and you can also mix and match for your cupcake set. Now for our orange cupcake liner here, I'm actually gonna make a shaggy buttercream design. I'm sure you guys have seen this everywhere, but it's literally just like this stringy, almost like, it gets really fun, but I absolutely love what it looks like. Just like a bunch of string hanging off, kind of like grass. Makes like a really fluffy effect here. This one's gonna be like a little furry monster. What do you guys think? I think this looks so cute. Can't wait to put some eyes on it. I think that one looks good. And then time for our last color. We're gonna be making some spikes out of green. So I'm gonna be using the green liner for this, and this is also gonna be a little monster. Again, these are kind of supposed to be fun and not perfect, so don't worry if it's not exactly turning out. It'll look really good once we put all the toppings on at the end. So all of our cupcakes have their base on, and now we're gonna make our toppings. So some of them are gonna get sprinkles, some of them are gonna get eyes. We're gonna get our candy melt melted so that we can show you how to make everything for the top. So now that our cupcakes are all piped and ready, we're gonna prep our toppings, and we're gonna start by prepping our eyes first. So I've got some of the pretzel sticks right here that I've broken up into about 3, so 1/3 of each pretzel stick, it's 1/3. I'm gonna be dipping it into white candy melt, which I've already melted, and then I'm gonna be adding some eyes and letting that set before I make the cobwebs. So let's get this one started. This is fairly easy. You're just gonna wanna use a bowl that has a little bit of depth, and then you're gonna go in with your pretzel stick and kind of give it a little bit of a twirl so that we get as much of it as possible. And then we're just gonna shake the excess off. And we're gonna put that down on a parchment paper so it doesn't stick. And we're gonna stick an eye at the top. All right, we're just gonna let these set now. We're gonna let the chocolate set. I'm gonna color this black so that we can actually start making our cobwebs. This is actually the candy color that's available at McCall's. Love using this because it colors the chocolate so perfectly. And you only wanna add a little bit at a time. All right, that's pretty dark now. I'm gonna get this into my piping bags and I'm gonna cut a very, very, very small hole in that so I can pipe some nice spider webs. Now we're all ready to go with our candy melts here. The easiest way to make spider webs is to actually make the base first. So we're gonna make the X. Then we're gonna make one line across. All right, then we're just gonna go and we're gonna join each point to point. And then we're gonna make one more in the center. All right, our spider webs are all done and our eyes are actually already set. So I'm just gonna put these into the fridge now for a couple minutes before we put all our cupcakes together. I will be right back. Now that our spider webs are all set, we're ready to decorate. I'm gonna start with the orange cupcakes because these are the ones that as spider webs are going on. So the spider webs peel off the parchment paper so easily, and we're just gonna be placing it anywhere on the cupcake. I'm gonna go with a little bit more at the top, just like that. So easy, right? And they look so cute. Next, we are going to make our little monsters with the eyes that we made earlier. So this is supposed to be the body, and then I'm just gonna go in and I'm going to add the eyes. Look at how cute but spooky this monster looks. I actually love how cute these guys are. All right, our little green monsters are done. And then lastly, we're going to be working on our little shaggy furry monsters. I'm just gonna add some sprinkles and eyes. So we'll position those eyes. So cute. All right, and then I love sprinkles, so I'm just gonna add a couple sprinkles to them, especially these guys right here. Let's go in with this one. I love the touch that sprinkles add to these guys, gives them so much more color, especially with these Halloween sprinkles. These just look amazing. They're cute but spooky and colorful, which I absolutely love. I think they're so perfect for Halloween. We hope you guys had a very spooky day making these little monster and spiderweb cupcakes with us. I had so much fun. I loved all the colors and McCall's sprinkles that we used to make these guys. We have a lot more Halloween videos coming up till Halloween, so make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for that. If you guys do try these at home with your little kiddos or even your friends, make sure to tag at McCall's and myself at Fiorella Bake Shop. We want to see all your fun Halloween creations, and we'll be back for some more spooky, haunted, or maybe even cute, fun cupcakes in the next coming weeks. Bye guys!